Namaste Vidya, Sada Kushro Vidya, myself Dr. Balraj Singh, Department of Darbhakund, Faculty of Ayurved, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's Institute, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Today we discuss about Ajmoda. Botanical name of Ajmoda is Apium leptophyllum. Apium leptophyllum family Apiaceae, Shatpushpara Puri. Charak mentions Ajmoda in Surkrishna Mahakashaya and DPM Mahakashaya. Shushruत mentions Ajmoda in Pippalyadi Mahakashaya, Pippalyadi Gan. एंड हिंदी नेम अजमोदा अजमोदा ही कहते हैं हम इसे। हम देखिए इसके सिनोनिम्स और इसकी मीनिंग्स। अजमोदा हैविंग द स्मॉल स्मेल ऑफ गोट, सो इट इज कॉल्ड अजमोदा। खराश हुआ, smells like that of an ass। mayur useful in many disorder of digestion, so it is called mayur। dipyak deepan and action। karvi a potent drug useful in many diseases, so it is called karvi। Loch mustaka fruits are on the top of inflorescence which are collected। Hasti mayurika useful in disease of elephants। Ugragandhika having intense smell, so it is called Ugragandhika। Gandhala the fruits and leaves are aromatic, so it is called Gandhala। Shikhi useful in diseases like Adhwan, so it is called Shikhi Kraminashni useful as antihelminthic, so it is called Kraminashni। Now let's see the main features of Ajmoda, an aromatic plant having smells like goat and ass. The main action is digestive, antihelminthic, and useful in diseases of elements. Uh, the standard nomenclature of Ayurvedic medicinal plant of CCRS and New Delhi 99 do not mention about Ajmoda. Dr. Krishnachandra Chunekar in Bhavaprakash Nigantu mentioned Apium gravulans. For Ajmoda, the Ayurveda Pharmacopoeia of India Part 1 Volume 1 Government of India Ministry of Health New Delhi 1989 has given the botanical name Apium leptophyllum. Here it has been taken as Ajmoda. Professor P. V. Sharma identifies Tracheospermum roxburghii annum as Ajmoda. You should learn about Tracheospermum roxburghii also, and the Apium leptophyllum also. Habitat Utpattistan all over India under cultivation, common in hills of Punjab and Bengal. Habit Swarup biennial stem 1 to 8 feet erect, branching radial leaves pinnate with large, deeply lobed segment, fall in three partiate segment once or twice trified. Coarsely toothed at the apex, peduncle 1 by 4 inches or less. Leaf opposed, umbel rays 5 to 10, pedicels 6 to 16, fruit 1 by 16 to 1 by 12 inch, rhizoid narrow, with broad. Then talk about Upayukt Ang, that is beach. Ajmoda, Upayukt Ang or part used is beach. Now let's see the property of Ajmoda. Firstly, Ras. Ras is Katu thick and Virya Yushna and Gun Laguruksh and Vipak is Katu। Dosh Karmta, Kapvat Shamak, Rogan Karmta or pharmacology action of Ajmoda as Agni Deepak, Vidahi, Hridya, Vrashya, बलकारक, नेत्र रोग घर एंड प्रमिग्न एंड छड्डी निग्रहण, हिक्का निग्रहण, बस्ती रोग घर, सुगंधी, वातानुलोमन एंड उत्तेजक, वातशामक एंड बल्य, मुत्रल एंड गर्भाशय संकोचक। That's all about pharmacological actions of Ajmoda. Now let's see the Amir Priyog therapeutic uses. The oil is used as Udvestan Nirodhak, it is used as Swas Udarshul, useful in Yakrat and Pliharog. The mool is Rasayan and Mutral. It is used in Sarvang, Shot and Shur. It is useful in Apasmar and Garbhini Roga. In Atisar, Rakratisar, Sheer mixed with Ghat, Madhu, Sharkra, Ajmoda, Arlu, Madhuk should be given. In Mutrashmari, Gokshu, Talpatra, Ajmoda, and Kadamb, Twak, and Asti of Ustri and Asav is given. For Stanya Shodhan, Rasna, Ajmoda, Saral, and Devdaru, Sita are mixed with Ghat and given. Matra, Churan 3 to 5 grams, Ark 10 to 50 ml. This is dose of Ajmoda, and after that, let's see formulations. Ajmoda Arc and Ajmoda the Churn. That there are two formulations, and chemical constituents, essential oil and filter oil. Then classical reference, Bhavaprakash Nigantu says अजमोदा खराश्व चैमायुरो दिप्यक तथा तथा ब्रह्मकुशा प्रोक्ता कारवीलो चमत्कता अजमोदा कटुतीक्ष्ण दीप्नि कफवातनोत उष्णा विदायिनी हृदय वृश्य बलकरी लघु नेत्र आमय क्रमिष्छर्दी बस्ती रुजा हरे. This is all about Ajmoda. Now let's see Yavani. Yavani is Tracheospermum mammae. Yavani, Tracheospermum mammae, and the family is Apiaceae, Satpushpa Gan Charak Sheet Prashman Mahakashay. Charak mentions Yavani in Sheet Prashman Mahakashay. हिंदी नेम अजवाइन. हिंदी में अजवाइन कहते हैं इसको. Now synonyms and its meaning. Firstly, Yavani. Why uh, called as Yavani? The main source of this drug is Yavan. That is Afghanistan, Balochistan, Persia, etc. Or these seeds are like the yav. So it is called Yavanika. Ugrigandha, seeds having penetrating aromatic smell. So it is called Ugrigandha. Ajmodika, a small plant like Ajmoda, so it is called Ajmodika. Dipyaka, Dipya, has got deepen action, so it is called Dipyaka, Dipya. Deepnia, Deepni, digestive and carminative in action. Yavasaha, all the names of Yav is given. Yavagraj, the seeds look like barley, so it is called Yavagraj. Vatri, useful in what diseases? Yavni, Yavad, seeds are likely barley. Shulhantri, relieves pain, so it is called Shulhantri. Ugra, aromatic smell. Tivragandh, having penetrating smell, so it is called Tivragandh. Bhu, Bhukadam, a useful drug. Bhutik, a useful drug. Main features: an aromatic plant having growth in Yavandesh, that is Afghanistan, Balochistan, Persia. A small plant like Ajmoda with penetrating agreeable odor. It acts as beacon. Habitat Utpatti Sthan. It is cultivated all over the India. Common in Bengal. Utpatti Sthan. Habit: Swarup, an erect, annual 3 feet high, glabrous or minutely pubescent. Leaves rather distant, 2 to 3 pinnate. Ultimate segments half to 1 inches, all linear. Brackets usually many, linear, sometimes divided. Bracteoles 3 to 5. Small linear rays of umbel pubescent. Flowers pure white. Fruits 1 by 12 inches ovoid. Muricate subspecies carpus dorsally compressed ridges distinct, vitae solitary small. उपयुक्त अंकपाठ used बीज. गुण कटु तिक्त वीर्य उष्ण गुण रुक्ष लघु तीक्ष्ण विपाक कटु. दोष कर्मता कफ वात शामक. रोगन कर्मता फार्मेटिव एक्शंस पाचक रुचिकारक अग्निदीपक पित्तवर्धक शुक्रनाशक शूलग्न वातग्न श्लेष्मग्न उदर रोगहर गुल्म रोगहर प्लीहा रोगहर एंड कृमि रोगहर. And Amit Prayog, the Ajmoda Amit Prayog is therapeutic uses. It is useful in many ways, mainly to overcome the smell of errant tail while administering it in chronic cough where it is cough is expectorate in less quantity. Thus help is releasing the cough. In swans, the churn is given with hot water. Yavani and Sandhavlavan is best drug in the treatment of ageing in either shul in udar shul. Adhan etc. condition, Javani, Sandavad Lavan, and Sovachal Lavan, Yavakshar, Hingu, and Amulki, the powder of the drugs given in doses of half to 1 gram. In children, the arc is given overcome Udar Roga. Matra dosage चूर्ण 3 to 6 gram, arc 20 to 50 ml, तेल 15 to 30 drops. औषधि योग formulations Yavanika di Quat, Yavanika di Churn, Yavani Shadow, and Yavanaka chemical constituent essential oil and fifth oil. Now let's see the classical reference. Yavanico, Ugragandha, Ch Brahm Darb Ajmodika, Sevokta, Dipyaka, Dipya तथा स्वाध्याय सहाय यवानी पाचनी रुचा तिक्षो उष्णा कटुका लघु दीपनी च तिक्ता पित्तला शुक्र शूलनोत वात श्लेष्म उदरा आनाह प्लीह कृमि प्रणोत. This is the classical reference of Yavanika. Now talk about Jirat. Botanical name Cuminum cyminum. Family is Apiaceae, Kul Satpushpa Kul. Charak mentions Jirak in Sulkrishman Mahakashai and Sirovirichan Mahakashai. Shushut mentioned in Peppalyadi Mahakashai. or Pepaliadi Gang, sorry. And Hindi name is Jeera or Sada Jeera. And now see the synonyms and its meaning. Jirka hai that which improve digestion, Jaran that which help in digestion, Ajaji the fruit that stimulates in digestion, Kana that which is grain like, Jirka the fruit is elongated, Dirgham the fruits are long, Pitabham fruits are yellow in color, Rucham that which is relished or tasty, and Deepka that which stimulates digestion, Uttarapatham Jirka is cultivated abundantly in the northern region. Madhyam acts as a wholesome for mind. Main feature Jeerak is extensively cultivated in northern region, probably a native of Pakistan. The fruits are long and yellow and in color. It acts as Agni Deepak in relishing and wholesome to mind. Habitat Utpatti Sthan widely cultivated in India, probably a native or Mediterranean and perhaps Pakistan. Habit Swarup a cylinder annual glabrous except the fruit leaves twice or thrice three particle, ultimate segment filiform, umbels compound, raised few, and brackets and brachioles several, linear rigid, calyx teeth small, subulate unequal, petals oblong ovate, emarginate, white often unequal, fruit cylindric, tip narrowed, primary ridges filiform distinct, secondary usually spidulous with tail large, solitary, under each secondary ridge, carpophore to partate or fit, seed somewhat dorsally compressed, convex concave. उपयुक्त अंग पार्ट यूज बीज and properties firstly रस कटु तिक्त वीर्य उष्ण गुण लघु रुक् तीक्ष्ण विपाक कटु दोष कर्मता कफ वात शमन रोगन कर्मता and pharmacological actions दीपन संग्राही पित्त कारक मेद्य गर्भाशय शोषक ज्वरग्न पाचक दश्य बल्य रुच्य चक्षुष्य वातग्न and आदमान हर गुलमग्न and अतिसार हर Army प्रयोग therapeutic uses in ज्वर and विषम ज्वर. Jirak is given with good as pachan and dahashana. In Atisar, it is given with Dadi and Pittajanya Vaman in Grabni and treated with Jirak and Nimburas. When given in Prasuta, act as Stanyajanam. Used as external lip in Arsh, Stanya and Udar Rog. In Amlapit, the paste of Jirak and Dhanyak is cooked with ghat and given. It removes cough, pit and loss of appetite. It improves digestion and checks vomiting. A paste is prepared with ghat and Jirak and sandal lavan and applied externally on scorpion sting. Matra Churan 3 to 6 gram. औषध योग formulations जीरका दे मोदक जीरका दे लेह जीरका दे चूर्ण जीरका दे तेल and जीरका दे wrist. Chemical composition cumic aldehyde thymol and pentosol. भावप्रकाश निघंटु से जीरको जारणो अजाजी कणय शाद दीर्घ जीरक जीरक तीत्रय रूक्षम कटु उष्णम दीवनम लघु संग्राही पित्तलम मेध्य गर्भाशय विशुद्धि कृत जुरघ्नम पाचनम वृश्य बल्य रुच्य कफापहम चक्षुष्यम पवन पवनादमानम गुलमस्य छर्दी अतिसार है. This is all about Jirak. So, we discussed today three topics. Firstly, Ashmoda, second is Yavani, and third is Jiran. Then this is all three topics are important according to Ayurved Chikitsa and Ayurvedic syllabus of your BMS class and also competitive exams. So you should learn about all three topics: botanical names, family, and classical references, synonyms, doses, swarup, Pakistan, and formulations, and properties, pharmacological actions, all about the Ajmoda, Javani, and Jirak. Uh, today's today we discuss about all the things of all three the topics. So, childrens, this digital session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's Initiative, Jaipur, Rajasthan. I hope you all are satisfied with this version. If you have any query or problem with this session, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you.